Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this short video, I want to introduce the library link settings of the Google Scholar. This is one of the way that how you can legally get access to closed paper from your Google Scholar account. First, make sure that you already logged in into your Google Scholar account. Then go to the settings by clicking these three horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen. Click the settings. You'll see several options here. Click library links. What library links can do? From these settings, you'll be able to connect your Google Scholar account to your university libraries. In this search area, put your university name. For example, my university is UPM. When you search, you'll be able to see your university name here. Select and save. Your Google Scholar is now connected to your university library. It means whenever you are searching for a paper, Google Scholar will tell you if your university has access to it. For example, this is one of the paper. I want to search it in Google Scholar. When you connect your account, you'll be able to see these links here. This is in case if your university has access it. Clicking on this link will direct you to a page where you can log in using your university credentials. Once logged in, you should have access to closed paper as provided by your university library subscriptions. It's important to remember that access may vary depending on your institution subscriptions and database access.